kinakabahan ako kasi first home project, tapos it was a big shift from coming from EB into now doing a serious project, but nonetheless, like I said before in the cast reveal, with a project like this was such a great opportunity and a great blessing that I would never ever take it for granted. And I can happily say now that we've been taping that we all gave our 100% and we hope that you guys enjoy it.
Ano yung pinaka-challenge?
Sa totoo lang po, lahat. Everything was challenging, but I always believe in the saying that nothing good comes easy. So you always have to give it your best, give it your all, and obviously put in your heart into the work that you do.
Yan. Pero
hindi po. Actually, this wouldn't have been able to happen without the help of Direct. Sa lahat ng scenes namin, with Direct, he would always guide us, he would give us ideas of how to attack the scene, what emotions are needed, and as a newbie actor, it gave me a lot of confidence and it made me really happy and made me enjoy it more, the whole process of taping. Love you, Direct.
ayos niyo.
Actually, before we went on stage, me and Derek had a moment together. I was saying, sabi ko, we couldn't even finish the moment kasi sabi ko, later na lang, I might start crying. But I'm just super thankful kay Derek kasi he's really pushed me a lot. He's really challenged me and he pushes all of us to really put our true authenticity into our characters and into each scene. So, I'm super thankful to Direct. He's definitely helped me grow so much as an actress. And I'll always be so thankful to you.
Yeah.
For me, really grateful and thankful to work for Direct. Very, very talented director. And he wanted the specific things. And he really pushed us to be the best version of being an actor. And I really appreciate that since the beginning. He told me that he wanted me something different na mabigay ko dito sa mga ibang shows ko, and I really appreciate that. And yung collaboration namin sa mga scenes, kung may gusto akong i-add, and he lets me. So, you know, I'm just grateful to be working with him.
Jairus?
Direct is so brilliant, grabe. Hindi din na sa kanya yung nilalabas lahat ng best namin dito. And I'm just so happy and honored to work with him. You know, acting is learning pa rin talaga. Hindi humihinto. So, ang dami ko pa natutunan kay Direct. And what's really nice is talagang hinahayaan niya kaming gawin yung gusto namin. And pare-parehas kami ng vision sa utak namin at kami nagko-collaborate. Kaya happy kasi parang wala kaming boundaries doing our stuff na we just let ourselves be. So, yeah, very happy and, you know, honored. And sana maka-work mo rin si Direct kasi sobrang galing talaga niya.
Ang bongga.
To be honest, sobrang dali silang katrabaho, Tito Ju. Of course, nandun na may mga time na kailangan maging seryoso ng set, may mga time na kailangan talaga silang i-push doon sa mga specific scenes. And one thing na sobrang grateful ako na sila yung napili for this casting para po sa Bad Genius. I mean, nakita ko kasi kung paano lahat nung nabago yung variations ng mga characters. Sabi ko nga, lagi ko nga sinasabi na parang every piece or every series or every project that I do is always a collaboration between the director and the artist.
Yeah.
And one thing that is so important is that how much good or kung kahit anong ibigay na direksyon ng isang director, ang makikita pa rin sa camera ang mistake. Sila pa rin yung huling-huli na magbibigay buhay dun sa character. And for this one, there are things na ginawa sila na hindi ko ini-expect. May mga eksena na, uy, hindi ako yan, sila na yan. I mean, nakikita ko yun. And from there, maglalaroan ko.
Pero ang bongga, di ba?
Paano ba? Kasi it's hard to say na paano may equal eh. Kasi at the end of the day, we did our very best. We did our own interpretation of the series. We did our own touch doon sa kada characters and own stories. Kasi this time, you know, we tackled family, you know, friends and other stuff pa about, you know, cheating and all and about the series itself. So, ang hirap i-equalize but I just know na parang God, may equalize siya or susubukan namin higitan kasi ginawa talaga namin yung best namin dito. Like, more than 100%. Si Gab, lumabas sa comfort zone niya. Hai, lumabas sa comfort zone niya. Si Tash, binigay niya yung best niya na first time natin makikita na yung Tash na ganito. And ako, iba rin yung ginawa namin ni Direct dito. So, just being different from it, won't equal everything dun sa Thai, but we're just gonna do our best para ma-enjoy ng mga tao yung series na to.
Hi Gab, you wanna add to that?
this series po kasi yung peg po very edgy, you know, yung scenes, parang hindi naman po kakabi-based syempre, pero syempre we want it to be different din as well, more of Filipino touch, more on family, ano ba yung pinagdadaanan ng isang Pat. Syempre mayaman siya, di ba? Pero syempre deep inside, meron din siyang pinagdadaanan sa loving family niya, which is his dad. And also, yung mga iba't ibang characters, we have some issues, especially sa pagkakaibigan. And yeah, me and Derek talked about it. We don't want to be like, okay, ito ako, biyahin natin. We wanted to have a different version na Pat compared sa series sa movie. So, ito.
Hyacinth.
And to add on to the Pinoy touch, you know, every culture deals with its own different issues, whether it's in terms of family or in school or in general as a society. So of course we shed more light into the difference into our Philippine culture. But then of course there are still some similarities being in both Asian cultures. So.
Of course, Lynn herself, Atasha.
Lahat naman nagsabi, pero adding on to what they all said, of course, going into this project, we never had the mindset of how are we going to hit that mark as the other remakes. It was more of, let's just embrace the Pinoy culture of family, friendship, and how we go through struggles through our own morality choices. And I hope that that reflects here in Bad Genius. And also, I think more importantly, we all gave our 100%. We gave our best, and we hope that you guys enjoyed that.
Since nung sinimula naman na i-conceptualize yung buong material, one thing din na sinigurado namin is that hindi magkaroon ng wrong message yung buong series. And then, to be honest, marami kami binago kahit nung nag-shoot na kami, kasi nagre-revise pa rin kami ng script just to be sure na tama yung messaging ng buong series. Just to give you dito na parang clue about it, na parang we always go back to the core of the series na parang ano yung moral lesson dito and why we should highlight this moral lesson na kapag natapos nilang panoorin yung serye is hindi nila isipin na parang, uy, wait lang, kumbaga, na-hype namin yung pag-cheat, no? More on ang pinafocus namin doon sa series is that what is the moral lesson behind this? And then, what are the consequences of the actions of a person kapag ginawa nila to? And one thing that I like to or I would rather say na bagay na masaya ko about this is that Viva and the whole creatives, sila Lynn, sila JC, sila Direct Ronnie, we make sure na perfect yung script doon sa messaging namin na hindi kami magkakamali. Kasi nga, guys, parang ang hirap baka mamaya matake into consideration nila na parang, uy, wait lang, okay lang pala mag-cheat. Parang sinagrado ng Viva yun and ng buong creatives yung kumbaga na malinaw yung messaging namin dito na there are consequences for each action na gagawin natin.
Yes. Because I think if you're super rich, kailangan parang, I feel like, wala akong pagdadaanan eh. At least yung super genius, you're gonna work hard for it, you know, like either business or whatever it is. And I don't know, it's just super cool to be genius, di ba? Yeah.
Ako siguro super genius. Ako siguro super genius din. Kasi baka makaisip ako ng genius ways para maging super rich. Diba? Kaya baka maging super attractive ako kasi super genius ako. So yeah, baka super genius.
Ako naman po super genius because I think that is a great asset to have. And I think that can bring you to many places in life.
Super genius is same with what Rhea said, like, you know, I could use that to become super rich as well. And when it comes to attractiveness, I don't think that's the most important thing in life because that's something that can just go away in a second.
Ako,
Kakaiba.
oo, opposite nung kay Jairus. Siguro super rich kasi genius na ako. So joke, and then I mean, of course, this morning syempre I'm definitely maging genius kasi, di ba? Parang kung matalino ka ng tao, parang alam mo na kagad kung ano na gagawin yung decision sa life mo eh.
Thank you and congrats.
When people say, or ano yung thoughts mo when people say, ang Pilipino maabilitan, does it come to you as something negative or something positive? Yung dalawang yun, please.
leading up to this project, once I received the news that okay, I'm going to be doing Bad Genius, we did a lot of workshop, especially with Direct, and a lot of meetings going back and forth. And I think I was able to channel my character because of everyone right beside me, and also to the production. This was all just one big team effort. And the reason why I can say confidently that I was able to do it was really because of them.
Because it's far from who you really are now.
Yes. It's very, very far kasi yung personality ko po is very bubbly, very happy-go-lucky, just ganun.
And yung second and last question ko, yung pag sinasabing ang Pilipino maabilidad, does it come to you as something negative or positive?
Pwede po ulitin yun sa
Pag sinasabi nila ang Pilipino maabilidad, does it come to you as something as negative or positive? And why?
Positive, because I think we can do anything we put our mind to.
Thank you.